Hello world! Last year I sold my caravan and I converted my Mercedes ML into a camper car. I made a lovely build where I could sleep atop of a platform. I had storage space for my refrigerator, my power packs and my cookware, and I could really enjoy the outdoor and the camping. However, just before Christmas I got a spine injury and I cannot come atop of the platform any longer, so I have to change the build from this one and into this. Hi, my name is Bjorn and I'm the old fart in a camper car. In this series, which is called The Build, I'm making 4 to 5 episodes where I'm showing how the rebuild of my camper car is made. I'm not going into any details on how to cut wood to measures or design and balance an electrical system. There are plenty of videos here on YouTube that are much better at that than I would ever be. So it's a brief story on how things are put together, and if you have any specific questions, then I'm more than happy to answer those to my very best ability. The purpose of the build is to ensure that I do not have to lift or carry any heavy items whatsoever. So in order to utilize space to the most extent, I have removed the rear seats and have also removed everything inside the spare wheel compartment. The first thing I did was to build a bulkhead that is bolted into the car using the existing bolt holes. Its purpose is twofold. 1, stabilize the construction, and 2, also make a headboard. Next was to fit some sound deadening pads and also put some polyester insulation in, but unfortunately I do not have any footage of that. Then I made a baseboard with an access hole to one of the many computer modules in the car, and underneath I fitted a support beam to ensure that everything is in level and bolted safely into the car. After that, I started on the first cabinet, first making a mock-up to ensure that I could get my toilet in and out of the car without any problems. And from the side door, I can now access the toilet to the left and my power pack to the right. And the cabinet will also serve as a table from inside the car. In the next episode, we will complete the first cabinet, and we will also finish up the whole base plate, the floor that makes the foundation for the sleeping area and other cabinets to come in to the camper car. See you then. In the next episode, we will complete the build of the first cabinet, and we will also In the next episode, we will complete the first cabinet.